What's up, everybody? It's your boy Court back with yet another video, man. And I know it's been a minute. I know. But we back, baby. Yes, we're back, man. We're back. It's been like 6 months since I've done a live call, first of all. And then it's been like 3 months since I made just a regular video. So I just want y'all to know I'm still here, man. I'm still here. I was looking at this artist named Damien Hirst. He had said something which was like pretty crazy to me. He was like, the lack of money should never get in the way of anyone's ideas or dreams or just things like that. And when I heard that, man, I immediately thought of my YouTube channel. I thought about what I'm trying to do in school. I can't make up any excuses no more, man. It's time to really put in the work, you know? Not just with just like YouTube or school, but just with your whole life, you know? I no longer want to just be mediocre or just go with the flow or anything like that. I really want to be serious, you know? Not even be serious, but like take myself serious. Because when you take yourself serious, a whole bunch of things that y'all doing, it just... it won't be happening. Wait. No. Yellow, dog. No, you're snaking me, dog.
A few minutes later, a little longer than a few minutes later.
I took an L for sure. Oh, I just took an L. The site was broke, bruh. Y'all saw that, right? 7 minutes, that's an L. GG's, boys, GG's.
Oh, card decline.
37 minutes?
I'm at 48 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, my phone 49. Shit.
I'm 44 on my phone. You hit?
I hit 7 so far.
Bro, what? 7.
7.
Man,
Jesus,
that's
bro.
nice, bro.
Man, I just need one player.
Bro, what you using?
Are you using Flash?
No, Meg with AI and just Flash, yeah.
Flash.
All Flash.
Now. What does that mean? 11:30. Resell just started. Talk to me. What we looking at? Nobody's checked out. Oh man. Wait. People are cooking? Oh! Let's go! Oh my god, let's go! Okay. What size though? 10! Let's go! Oh my god. Turn me up. Oh my god. That fast? I was just complaining. Let's go! I don't know what? 20 sizes? Oh my god. I'm about to cook. Oh my god, I'm about to cook. 22. All right, you guys, thank you for watching the video until the end. As you can see, we had a couple of L's, just a couple, but we ended the week with a W on those blushes, which there will be an official unboxing on the next live cop, man. But as of now, I just wanted to show y'all I got them. If you guys enjoyed the video or you guys want to see more content coming, man, just sub to the channel, leave a like, and comment down below, man. Let me know how y'all been. Let me know if y'all miss me or something, man. Let's boost your vibes up, man. And if and don't worry, I'm gonna be more consistent. All right, I am. All right, you guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.